Well, hello there YouTubers, this is Eneby here, going to be making this review for Eneby's Unboxing and Reviews. This is the Eneby Gen 2 from Ikea. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker. It has the volume knob, tweeter and a mid/low speakers. So that's the sub and plays the mids, and all the highs come out one. It's a dome tweeter. So it's Bluetooth only. You can get an optional wall mount, a stand and an optional battery. So this, at the minute, the battery was out of stock, which is what I'm gutted about. So I'm just going to get this out. This is going to be replacing that there, which is an Alexa speaker. Really good Alexa speaker actually, quite loud, but it's limited to what you can do to it. It's got Bluetooth, it's got Wi-Fi, but with Alexa you have to pay for all the subscriptions and all the crap. So it's like, you can't play by Spotify because you have to pay for it through the Amazon whatever, I don't know. So this is it. Yep, and I just need to get the palm lead. Bear with me. So it's just a plain white box, certified for use in Hong Kong, it says on the back. I found that funny. So you might be able to make that out. It says battery not included. So it's a really good speaker, to be honest. Let me just wipe the surface. So it's going to be replacing that Alexa over there, because I don't trust Alexa. I only got it for the speaker to use it as Bluetooth. So this has an optional handle. An optional handle which I will be fitting onto it. I took it off because I've been using it in work. So on the back it tells you one light is on, two lights is left and right, pairing, three lights, this is for holding the button, three flashes is changing the EQ, 4 is turn off, and 5 is reset. So it depends how long you hold it for and all kinds of stuff. So it's a lovely speaker, look at that, beautiful. I will put the stand on in a minute because this camera does not record for very long. I'm trying to get it to connect actually. I've been using it in work. Oh, it is connected. Okay, so go back to YouTube and videos. Make sure it's turned down. I'm just going to pick a random one and press play. It has one speaker plus a tweeter.
Traceable, safe and farmed with care.
Turn that off for a minute, it's an advert, you don't want to listen to that. Yeah, so it's a lovely speaker. This is the Gen 2. The first generation you could not pair two speakers together. This one you can pair two speakers together. Just go pretty loud, it's about 40 watts or something, 39 watts.
Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens, gotta let go. Zero gravity, they got us a quick change, so we're the commitments. I'll just block you, watch, time to make my wrist red. Zero gravity keeps elevating me. Born in the darkness, fight with the light. If this ever die,
It does have plenty of bass. I am very happy with it. So I didn't realise there was a Gen 2 out. I've been researching it and looking at the Gen 1, but this is 20 centimeters by 20, so it's the Eneby 20. They do the Eneby 30, which is 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters, and it has two subwoofers slash mid-range in it, and only one tweeter. There is improvements that they could be made to it. Put a third speaker in there, have it a three-way, so high, mids, and then lows. Because the problem with it does give out a good lows, good bass, but problem is that basically it's not just low frequencies coming through it, so you've got the mids coming through it as well. So if they did it a three-way design, 1, 2, 3, there's enough room in there, and then split the frequencies up, and it would probably sound even better. It does the job, you know, can't grumble.
So I'm up above the clouds. So I can't see the ground. So I ain't coming down. So no, I ain't ever coming down.
So that's really it. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you'd like to know anything else, it does have a bass port on the back, and it has wall mounting holes, and it does do a job. The battery goes in the bottom. The battery is sold separately, and I can't wait for the battery to be in stock so I can use it portable. So thank you for watching. If you'd like to know anything else about this Eneby speaker, there's not much to really say. The lows are really crisp. I'm not like an audiophile engineer that knows all the ins and outs of a speaker, but you can get different grills for it. It's a very basic bland design. It's just a square box. So let's put something else on. There is a bit of dust on there that I need to clean off, but there's the tweeter, there's the bass, if you can see that. So hurry up adverts, I'm running out of time.
Oh no.
Okay, so yeah, the vocals are coming through the sub, which is not the most ideal way of doing a setup like this. Oh god, I've put it on the wrong way. There we go. So yeah, it does the job. When the battery comes in, I will let you know. That should last about 8 to 10 hours, or 10 to 8 hours. Sorry for the video cutting off there. The camera only records up to 8 minutes or however long. Yeah, so my final thoughts of this speaker, I would totally recommend it. If you want something that's portable, then get this, get the battery for it, and you're good to go. You could take it to your friend's house, take it to the beach or anywhere. Just be aware it's not waterproof, it's not dust resistant or anything like that. So but it is a good quality speaker. Now maybe in the future Ikea could make a waterproof, dustproof one, you know, in the same kind of form factor, just add a bit of rubber sealing and stuff and whatever, but it's a cracking speaker. If you're not going to use this outside of your house, I'd recommend get the Eneby 30, which has got 2 subwoofers in it. It's 30 by 30 centimeters, and it's a really good speaker. But if you're planning on taking this out and about, you have to get this one because the Eneby 30 does not have a battery. So I can't wait to get the battery. The battery's out of stock at the minute, so I'm pretty gutted. So I have to plug it into the wall, but it does the job. Happy with it so far, and that's really it. So if you want to know anything else about this video, please, about this product should I say, please leave a comment down below. It's got good lows, it does go pretty loud, and that's really it. So just take a quick look. That's the speaker. I am really impressed with it. The sound quality is phenomenal, you know, for what it is. Like I said, there could be improvements to it. Have a 3-way design instead of 2-way, so a high tweeter, a mid-range speaker and a low subwoofer, which would make it better, because all the all the vocals are coming through the subwoofer as well as the bass. So it's just personal preference. Would improve it. Maybe they could do a Gen 3 version 3 Gen 3 with a three-way design. So thank you for watching. It's been Manny P. If you'd like to know anything else, please leave a comment and we shall catch you in the next video.